We got our latest build. Nice butternut topper with an interlocked connection to the stick. Nice ash stick, little brass pin. Beautiful little dot pattern, all down to small little 5/8 rubber foot. Very comfortable cane. Puts it in a good position, almost like a racing stick shift. Stick around, show you step by step on how I did all this. Little teak oil and 4 coats of polyurethane. Stick around. Hope you enjoy the build, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it below and I'll try and answer each and every one of them. Well, I think we've finished sanding this one up. A nice, beautiful little cane. Did a butternut topper. Inset it into the stick. Instead of doing our normal threaded rod, did a little inset and epoxied it in, put a little pin. Don't know if the pin was really useful or not, but we put it in for looks. Has this nice bend on a beautiful ash stick. Did a great detail. Our nice dot pattern really makes a nice effect. More of that beautiful grain down to very tiny 5/8 foot at the bottom. We're going to do a nice bit of teak oil, and then I think several coats of polyurethane. Let's see how this all turns. This is going to be very dark. I'm curious. I think the ash will be a medium brown, so it should be nice. So, a little piece of cotton. Got our teak oil here in another container. So let's start with the butternut. Fantastic. That grain is popping nicely. Just get a little more oil. You can see butternut's a slightly softer wood, and you can see it's really soaking in that oil. So that's going to take several coats, but look at that grain. And of course the ash stick. Oh, that's nice. All that grain is popping. That is a nice color combination. It'll darken slightly as we go, as the oil soaks in. The ash is quite a hard wood, so it's going to take a little bit to soak in. Yeah, and the dots have darkened up nicely. So let me finish this up. It's going to take several more coats. As you see, it's already starting to look dry. And we'll tune back in. So there you have it after 4 coats of polyurethane. So I'll have the butternut topper, a little brass pin, and interlocking top to the stick. I didn't put a metal rod in between this time. I thought of doing a different connection with a lot of epoxy in there, and that worked out. Beautiful ash stick. Nice dot pattern here. All going down to a very small little rubber foot. Nice solid stick. Very comfortable, actually. This little bend puts it almost like a stick shift type of position and really works out well. Hope you enjoyed this build. Hope you liked this slightly different topper. And see you on the next one.